Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you our succulent shrubs. We have many different kinds, but I'm going to focus on a couple of varieties. This is a golden rain bush, and they can grow as tall as roughly between 2 to 3 feet to about 3 to 4 feet wide. And so you can see it's variegated. It has different colors there, and so this is a great option to have in your garden or in a container. You can take full sun to filter light, water about once a week. On top here is just our red lava top dressing. Underneath this succulent mix, and that's what you want to use when you're planting in the landscape or in the container. This is another variety here. This is known as Midstripe rainbow bush, and it says here it grows as tall as 1 to 2 feet to about 1 to 2 feet wide. Slightly different. They have a little more pinkish yellow leaves. So this is another great variety to have. Low maintenance succulent shrubs are great, especially during this time when we are in a drought. So you're looking for plants that are low maintenance and only water about maybe once a week. You can even go as far as once every 10 days. When they're fully established in the ground, they can go a little bit longer without water. So I just want to show you these two varieties here. Thank you for watching.